హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఇంతకుముందు ఆర్టికల్స్ మీద ఒక డీటెయిల్డ్గా ఒక వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. అందులో యాన్ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం, తర్వాత ఏ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం. అందులో కొంతవరకు ఆర్టికల్ ది అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉపయోగిస్తూ చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఆర్టికల్ ది అనేది ఉపయోగించి ఇంకా కొన్ని సందర్భాలు ఉన్నాయి. అవి కాకుండా ఆర్టికల్స్ ఏ, యాన్, ది ఈ మూడు కూడా కొన్ని సందర్భాలు ఉపయోగించకూడదు. వాటిని ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మనం తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. ముందుగా ఈ వీడియో చూసే ముందు మీరు ఈ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే ఖచ్చితంగా లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. The use of article the. Article the is used before musical instruments, before the names of musical instruments. Example, the veena, the tabla, the guitar. In this way we can use article the before the names of musical instruments. Next one, article the is used before the names of three defense forces. Example, army, before the names of army, before the names of navy, before the names of air force, before the names of air force. The army, the navy, the air force. Next one, article the is used before the names of stations, before the names of stations. Example, the police station, the railway station, the bus stand, the radio station, before the names of stations. The police station, the railway station, the radio station, the bus stand. Next one, article the is used before comparative degree, which has of the two expression. This expression is important. Whenever you observe of the two expression, at that time you should use article the before comparative degree. Example, Geeta is the taller of the two sisters. Geeta is the taller of the two sisters. Mohan is the stronger of the two friends. Mohan is the stronger of the two friends. Next one, article the is used before English newspapers names, before the names of English newspapers, not regional or local newspapers. We should use article the before the names of English newspapers. Example, the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, the Times of India, like the Times. Next one, article the is used before the names of political parties. Example, the BJP, the Congress, the CPI, the CPM, the YCP, the TDP, like before the names of political parties. Article the is used before common nouns. Generally we should not use any article before common nouns. Next one, the use of the is used before common nouns. Generally before a common noun we should use a or an. Example, a boy, a girl. Whenever we want to give some additional force to the particular common noun, additional specifically if we identify a person in a specific manner, at that time we use article the before common noun. Example, the boy who won the race, the boy who got medal. Next one, generally we have two types of numbers, ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers means 1 2 3 4, like. Ordinal numbers means they have some example, ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth, like. Before ordinal numbers we should use article the. Example, King George the Sixth, Pope John Paul the Second, the Queen Victoria the Second, like that. Next one, article these used before common nouns followed by the proper noun. Common nouns followed by proper noun. Example, river is a common noun. Before the name of the before common noun we should use article a or an. We should not use article the. Whenever common noun followed by a proper noun, Godavari is a proper noun, name of the particular river. That's why whenever common noun followed by a proper noun, before the common noun we should use article the. The river Godavari, in the river Krishna, the river Ganges, like we should use. Next one, generally we should not use article the before proper nouns. No article is used before proper nouns. Proper nouns అంటే నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్టికులర్ పర్సన్, నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పర్టికులర్ ప్లేస్, పర్టికులర్ థింగ్, వాటి ముందు ఆర్టికల్స్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. కానీ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్ ప్రిసీడెడ్ బై అన్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్, వెనెవర్ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్ ప్రిసీడెడ్ బై అన్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్ వీ షుడ్ యూజ్ ఆర్టికల్ ది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ Shivaji, the Shivaji should not say. Whenever the proper noun preceded by an adjective, we should use article the. Example, the great Shivaji, the great Shivaji, the wise Solomon, the wise Solomon. Next one, professions followed by trade and professions. Trade and professions followed by proper nouns, we should use article the. Example, Kalidasa. We know that Kalidasa is the poet. Kalidasa, the poet. Rajnikant, the actor. Savitri, the actress. Like this we should use we should use article names before the professionals, not before the proper nouns. Next one, article the is used before initials. Article the is used before initials. Initials are nothing but abbreviations. Some world level international organization starts with two, we use initials. Example, World Health Organization, it is initial as WHO. Before the names, before the initials we should use article the. The UNO, the IAS, the IPS, the WHO. In this way, before the names of initials should use article the. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం ఏంటంటే ఆర్టికల్స్ ఏ అండ్ ది ఎక్కడ ఉపయోగిస్తే తెలుసుకున్నాం. కానీ కొన్ని చోట్ల ఆర్టికల్స్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదు. దాన్ని ఏమంటే ఒమిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ అంటారు. నో ఆర్టికల్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్, నో ఆర్టికల్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఆర్ ఒమిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ అనమాట. అంటే అన్ని చోట్ల ఏ అండ్ ది అని ఉపయోగించే అవసరం లేదు, అసలు కొన్ని చోట్ల అవసరం లేదు. ముఖ్యంగా ఇలాంటి వాటిని ముందు చూస్తే, ఫస్ట్ వన్, బిఫోర్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ abstract nouns we should not use any article. Nouns are two types, concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun means which we can see and touch. Example, we can see this marker and we can touch. This is the concrete one. Abstract one, we can't see and touch. Abstract noun means the thing we can't see and touch. Around us we have air, we can't see and touch. Abstract nouns are understood or felt. Before abstract nouns we should not use article, should not use any article. Example, knowledge we can't see, patience we can't see. Okay, now before example, in exams they will give like this dash knowledge. Okay, now next one, air, pain, wisdom, beauty, all these comes under abstract noun. Okay, now no article is used before abstract nouns. Next one, we should not use any article before proper nouns also. Proper nouns means name of the particular person, name of the particular place, thing. Example, before the names of proper nouns we should not use article. Example, Gandhi, just normal Gandhi, a Gandhi, an Gandhi, Gandhi should not you say, but we can say the patience of Gandhi. Here we can write, exemption is there. Generally, before proper nouns, we should not use any article. Next one, after some expressions like, there are 4 expressions are there. After these 4 expressions, we should not use any article. Type of, kind of, sort of, manner of. After these 4 expressions, we should not use any article. Example, what type of film that was, what kind of man, what sort of, what manner of. After these 4 expressions, we should not use any article, a, an, or the. Next one, whenever a noun gives widest sense, at that time also we should not use any article. Example, animal has 4 legs. Animal has 4 legs, that is universal. Bird has 2 wings. Before the name, animal and bird name, we should not use any article. Whenever a noun gives widest sense, at that time should not use any article. Next one, before the names of meals, at that time also we should not write any article. Example, before breakfast, lunch, snacks, supper, dinner. Before the names of meals, it may be breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, supper. We should not use any article. Next, before the names of uncountable nouns, we should not use any article. Uncountable nouns, we can't count them. Example, news, business, advice, soap, wood, paper, chalk, rice, bread, sand, sugar, gold, silver, soap. In this way, uncountable nouns are there. Example, if we want to say news, I have some news. I have some news. I have some business. I would like to give some advice. I have some interesting news. Some business. Some advice. Give me some advice. Give me 1 advice wrong, 2 advice wrong. Give me a advice wrong, that is wrong. Give me some advice. Suppose you want to take a soap. I want to take a piece of soap, a cake of soap, a piece of or a cake of soap. Next one, wood also. Next one, if I want to take a paper, generally we ask like give 2 papers, 3 papers. That is wrong uses. Give me some. Give me a sheet of paper. A sheet of paper. That is correct uses. Next one, before the names of chalk. Before the names of rice, give me 1 kilogram of rice, 1 kg rice. Bread, a slice of bread, slice of 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of bread. Next one, sand, sugar, gold, silver. Before the names of metals also we should not use article the. Okay, next to say permission of articles మనం నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్లో ఉన్నాం, వీటిలో చూద్దాం. బిఫోర్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ గేమ్స్ అండ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ we should not use any article. Before the names of games and sports also we should not use any article. Example, football, cricket, volleyball, like. Before the names of games and sports we should not use any article, a, an, or the. Next, after the expressions, some expressions like all night, all day, we should not use any article. Before the names of Before the expressions like all night, all day, should not use any article. Before some expressions like these two expressions are frequently asked in exams. Competitive exams are in general board exams. Home and abroad. Before the names, before the expressions like home and abroad also should not use any article. Next, generally we should not use any article before the places like a school, college, hospital, bed, prison. Like generally example students every day they go to school, go to college, go to hospital. These are general expressions. Example, doctor, he visits the hospital every day because his duty is in hospital. Next one, students go to school. Next one, parents frequent occasionally, rarely visits school, college, some other places. Example, whenever you whenever you visit the place in specific manner, at that time you should use article the. I went to the college, or I went to the school to talk to the principal or headmaster. I went to the hospital. I went to the hospital to visit my sick friend. Next one, after possessive case also should not use any article. Possessive forms. Example, who's this pen? This is Mohan's pen. Mohan's pen. Who's this book? This is Gita's book. Gita's book. After possessive case also should not use any article. Next, after the names of subjects. After the names of subjects. Before the names of subjects also we should not use any article. Telugu, Hindi, English, mathematics, physics, biology, social studies, economics, history, political science. Before the names of subjects also should not use any article. Before the names of seasons also should not use any article. Before the names of seasons, winter, summer, rainy, spring season. After the at the time of saying some time duration, before the words or after the words we should not use the article. The time duration indicating words like day, week, month, year, next, last. Whenever you observe these words, before the word or after the word should not use any article. Next one, after some expressions like hell, heaven, paradise, parliament, congress. Before these expressions also we should not use any article. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment in comment box. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ టచ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.